Always fun. At least for my grandson, it's always fun. One thing that is difficult is you're loading dirt with trash and roots and sticks. You want to have them smashed up enough so that you don't hang up when you're unloading. Morning, how's it going? So I'm hauling some contaminated dirt just from one spot to another where it gets hauled down to the landfill. But this one here is a special load. Let me show you what I got. What I got in my truck now. So you got some dirt and a couple sticks. You think you wouldn't do this on the highway, would you? These are big old black poplar logs. What we're doing is just setting it down where the other hoe can be sitting on top of it. So just give some foundation for the hoe to sit on. Anyway, this is November. There's no freaking snow. I'm loving it. That's what I think. Weather like this, I get to live with all freaking winter. In the meantime, back to business. So maybe I'll show you just a little bit of the road, but I'm not going to tell you where I'm working. That's confidential. So this is a matted road, as you can see. So these are all swamp mats. They're pretty well always 8 feet wide, 14 feet long, and just to keep you out of the stuff, out of the mud and out of the soft. Anyway, so there was just some contaminated dirt that needed to be cleaned up, and I get to be involved in it. And I'm not at home on any COVID break anymore, so carry on. This is actually really pretty country, you know. Got some spruce trees, birch trees, white poplar, black poplar, and no snow. That's what makes it beautiful. So this is a short one. I got other stuff I've got to post like always, but we'll keep this in close enough that it won't take a million hours to edit it or anything like that. So have a great day. This is my latest log hauling adventure. Talk to you later.